Oh my goodness! Wow! This is so... Wow!
This house you see didn't always look this way. A few months ago, Joyce gave us a call. She ended up inviting us into her living room and shared her story. Joyce had been battling cancer, and things were finally starting to look up. But what she needed was a fresh start, to push a reset button on her life. And that started with this house, the house she'd raised her kids in. Now, after just getting news that she is cancer-free, Joyce is getting the fresh start she was looking for. And today, we've invited her back to see the transformation.
Oh my goodness! Wow! This is so...
I think what I love most about the work we do is seeing things that are broken become whole.
We deal with a lot of people that are in tough situations, and when we are able to just help them through that, you can tell the relief just comes off of their shoulders and they finally realize, like, okay, this is done.
Oh my goodness! Wow!
I really love seeing the end of the project because things just come together.
It's a huge mess for like months and months, and you just have like refrigerators over in a corner and boxes and just plumbing supplies, and it's just trashed for months, and all of a sudden in like a week it just goes from destruction to this.
Yeah. If you'd have seen this house like 2 days ago,
Yeah.
you would have been like,
We're gonna do what?
This is not
Yeah. You're gonna be done in 2 days? Yeah.
For flipping houses, we're trying to raise the standard of integrity, fairness, quality work, and customer service.
It's what you're doing when no one else is watching. And a lot of times when we're rebuilding a home, there's lots of things behind the walls that most people will never see. But I know if we're not doing things right, if we're not rebuilding it correctly, that we're going to be putting a failed product back on the market.
You guys are great. I am just
You're
so
great.
I just so enjoyed meeting you and getting to know you from the time I first saw your website, and I was like, yes, this is exactly what I want to sell my house.
If by buying someone's house, we can change someone's life, that's what we want to do. We want to give people a reset button, and sometimes that's what people need.
The biggest thing we get is usually just smiles and relief and like a hug. They're usually just like, thank you so much for that. Like, we just needed someone that we could trust, someone that would like walk us through the process smoothly, and someone that we knew would be there for us no matter what happened.
I think that's the heart behind what we do and why we're doing it to the extent we're doing it.
Our vision is to raise the standard of customer service, quality work, and integrity in the as-is home buying industry. We want to be trustworthy and kind at all times and provide transparency where it's needed most.
We help overwhelmed homeowners whose house has become more of a burden than a blessing achieve freedom by offering them the most convenient and reliable way to sell their home. We want people to know that they can walk away from an encounter with us feeling confident that they have been treated fairly by a company they can trust. To see if working with us would be a good fit for your story, fill out this quick form. We've made it easy. Let's get started.